Hello everybody, welcome to our new video tutorial on Java. In this tutorial we'll be learning about some of the basic data types in Java, and we will be also looking how to convert one data type to another in programming language that is called casting. We will be discussing implicit and explicit casting as well. So without wasting our time, let's start. So first of all, we need to create a class, public class, for example data types. You can give any name to the class as we discussed in previous videos. Then we need a main method, public static void main args, and okay. So now we want to create integer value, for example integer data type, and that is, for example, you can in integer data type you can only store integer values, for example 1 2 3. You cannot store 1.5, right? So let's say I is equal to 9, and first of all let's print this value. So I want to say the value for I is, and then the value. Okay, so far so good. So let's save this program with the name of DataTypes.java. DataTypes.java. Okay, now that we have saved this program, to execute this we have to open the command line, and in command line we have to write following commands. So first of all, you need to locate the path where you have saved this program, and then you have to write java c and datatypes.java, the name of the file. So let us see, go ahead. There is no error, so let's execute it. Java data types, and you can see now the value is printed as 9. The value of I is 9. Okay, so let's go to again notepad, and now this time if you want to create multiple variables in same line, you can do that by just giving only comma and then the name of the variable. Okay, so if I want to print the value of this variable as well, so I'm going to copy this. I don't want to write it again and again. So now the value of j is j, and the value of j is, now the value of j is 8. Now let's go to command line again. Let me clear the screen, and java c datatypes.java, and you can see the value of I is 9 and the value of j is 8, right? So to declare a integer type data type, you have to write this keyword int before the name of the variable, right? In other data type is double. For example, double, you can give it any name, and I say 2.3 is the value that this double variable contains. Now if I again want to print the value of this, you can see I have created a DOB with 2.3 value, right? And the data type of DOB is double. And now what I have done is I have just printed the value of this DOB. Now you can write any message in this within these parentheses. It's not necessary you should always write the value. For example, hey, DOB contains. So this is a message on the screen. You can write anything, but this variable need to be of the same name if you want to print the value of this one. Okay, so let us check if it is working. Okay, so right, so I want to compile it again, java c datatypes.java, and now you can see 2.3 is printed, right? In other category or in other data type, that is most popular is string. String, in a string is declared with the keyword string with capital S. Then the name of the string, you can name it anything, for example the value, and I want to store 1 2 3 in this. Now you can see the difference. When you are creating a variable for a number, there are no parentheses for the value, but when you create a string, there are parentheses or inverted commas surrounding the value. Okay, you can write any message as well. So let us print it as well. System.out.println, and the value of the string is value, right? So let's check it now. Clear the screen. DataTypes.java, Java DataTypes, and you can see the value of a string is 1 2 3. Okay, in other data type that is commonly used is character. To declare a character type, character data type, you have to write char, then the name of the variable, I say char, and I am going to store d in this, right? And now I want to print the value of this. Now I'm going to print the value of this ch system.out.println, and char contains ch. Okay, so let us see if there is no error. So there is no error in this. Let us compile it. Data types, and you can see char contains d. Okay, so some of the times we need to assign values of certain type of data types to other values. So I think the casting should be covered in a separate video, so I am going to stop it here.